Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to solve RE, how to find an RE using Ardens theorem. So Ardens theorem says that R is equals to, when it is given that R is equals to Q plus RP, then R is equals to QP star. If R is equals to Q plus RP, then R is equals to QP star. Okay, now suppose you have been given a transition diagram. For example, Q0, Q1 goes to A. Now we have to find the RE, okay, of this transition diagram. So it can be solved as follows. Q0, now first we have to write Q0. Now as it is initial, we'll write epsilon. Another arrow is not coming here, so it's just an epsilon which indicates initial thing. Okay, then Q1 we are getting A, so from Q0, right? So Q1 will be Q0 into A. Now as Q0 we got here is epsilon, it will be epsilon into A, which gives us A. So RE is A. Okay, we have to go till the last final state and we'll get the RE. Suppose I've been given an RE, another RE, that is this one, A and B. So initial state, this will be Q0, which will be epsilon. Now Q1 is Q0 into A, Q0 into A plus Q0 into B, right? So it will be epsilon into A plus epsilon into B, which gives me A plus B, right? So this is the RE. Now let's see another example, that is this one, Q0 and A. So initial is Q0 and the final is also Q0. So epsilon plus Q0 into A as going to itself with Q0. So this is what? This is R Q plus R into P, right? This is our formula. If R is equals to Q plus RP, then R is equals to QP star using Ardens theorem. So Q0 will be QP star, epsilon P star. Epsilon can be ignored, so this will be our RE. Similarly, let's see. So this was from Ardens theorem. You have to write here from or using Ardens theorem. Okay, now let's see another example, that is this one, Q0, Q1 goes to A and here it goes to A. Okay, so now Q0 is epsilon and Q1 is nothing but Q0 into A and plus Q1 into A, right? Q0 is what? Epsilon. Q1 is equals to epsilon into A plus Q1 into A. Epsilon can be ignored, so A plus Q1 into A, which gives us the formula R is equals to Q plus R into P. So Q1 can be written as QP star. It is A into A star. We got the RE. So this is all about the Ardens theorem, which is used when we have given RE when we have given state transition diagram and we have been told to find RE. So in that case we need Ardens theorem for some of the REs. Like here we don't need this Ardens theorem because there was no need. But if there is a need, so we need to use Ardens theorem. Now let's see one more example. It's a bit difficult. Okay. So this is Q0, Q1 and Q2, Q0 on 0, on 1, 1 again. Okay, now this we have been given. So first we'll write Q0 first epsilon, and Q0 into 0 plus Q0 into 0, and it is coming from Q1 as well, so we'll write Q1 into 1. Now if this would not been there, so we would have used Ardens theorem, but this is being used here and it has arrived here. So now what to do? We don't have the value of Q1, so we will write first Q1 equal to Q0 into 1, and then again we'll write Q2, which is Q1 into 0. Now we will substitute this Q1 value here. So 1, 2, 3. So we'll substitute 1 in 2. So Q0 is equals to epsilon plus Q0 into 0 plus Q1 was Q0 into 1 into 1. So now we can simplify this, plus Q0, this is the common part, 0 plus 1 1. Now this becomes R is equals to Q plus RP. So we can write using Ardens theorem, Q0 equal to QP star, that is epsilon 0 plus 1 1 star. So Q0 is nothing but epsilon 0 plus 1 1. Sorry, epsilon can be ignored. So this now, but this is not our RE because this is not our final state. The final state is Q2, so we have to go till Q2, right? So we have to write down Q2 now. So Q2 is Q1 into 0. Q1 was Q0 into 1 into 0. Q0 we got as 0 plus 1 1 star into 1 into 0. This becomes Q2, and this is our final RE, as it is the final state. Okay, so we have to find the final state ka RE. This is our answer. So this type of question also arrive in your question paper, so you have to be very careful. I hope you all understood what is Ardens theorem. The formula is if R is equals to Q plus RP, then R is equals to QP star, and then this we have to apply in our state transition diagram and to get the RE. Okay, that's it. This was all about the Ardens theorem. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed watching my videos. Thank you.